Masyado maliit.
Yeah.
Subukan. You stop. Stop yung recording.
No, that's fine. Is that stickier, the new one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. The other ones are probably no good no more.
Yeah. Gotta be even. Okay. Put the cement.
That came with the...
Yeah.
Use the back of the cap. You apply cement.
And then cement here.
Seal the hole. Put some cement on there.
Yeah.
All along it. Yep. Make sure it creates a good seal.
Yeah.
And you puncture it. Oh, it's too small, the hole?
Yeah. I'll use the bigger one.
Yep. Okay. Then you pull it out.
Yeah. Okay. It did it. Okay, that's good. I don't know.
That's how you do it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right. And now you let it just dry.
For 5 minutes.
You want to put a little more of that sealant on the top?
Duh?
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. And that's how you fix a punctured tire.